Like they'll ever say that. Sorry, pal. These trucks aren't beyond the platform after all. But okay, retake. Sorry, pal. These trucks are beyond the platform. We're gonna need you to push them back inside the platform. But just be safe. You don't want to cause an accident.
Wow, you call that shunting? Well, here's how I do it. Just.
Okay, retake again.
Well, here's how I do it.
Okay, what comes next is a reference to both the British Railway series, 11th episode of the British Railway series, and one of your shorts, actually, Liam and the Celebration, the part where Liam crashes. Alright, let's get started.
Just give them a bump and they'll go flying. Like this.
Alright, I'm out, but nobody had to door. Alright, I'm out, but nobody had to bar the doors down if they wanted to get my attention. So what the heck have. Oh my goodness, what happened here?
Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. Well, at least it wasn't like that visit from Sir Topham Hatt's nephew.
Well, whoever threw that truck. What the hell? Yeah, I was coming down with the express until I found the signals. Open down. Yeah, I was coming down with the express until I found the signals on the floor. What the heck happened? Just be glad it wasn't you under the signals. Otherwise, we would have been squashed. Or even worse, beyond repair. Then he or she would be sued by Sir Topham Hatt. You know what? Somebody phone the breakdown train, okay? Somebody phone the breakdown crane immediately. We have no time to lose. What if another train comes in? They might crash. Stay right there! You know the drill. Hello, 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 Shane. What's going on here, Shane? Who's the one responsible for throwing down the signal, sir?
Go, bye.
What the? Where'd he go, sir? Wait a minute, sir. Are you, sir? Yeah, you, sir. You was number 47, sir. Were you the one who caused this accident, sir? You were the one who caused this accident, weren't you, sir? We don't believe in liars, sir. You are a liar, sir. Terry, how could you? Yeah, Terry, why would you want to take down a signal? Terry threw a car at it, and it fell to the ground. We're giving him a ticket, sir, for doing public destruction, sir. Tomorrow, we want you to stay away from signals at all costs, sir. That means you're gonna have to stay in the shit forever, sir. Maybe not forever but until you learn your lesson, sir. Yeah, well, excuse me, I had to go drink some milk and coffee back at the base, sir. Toodles, sir. Thanks for the help, Mr. Cop Capone. No problem, see? Well, it's gonna take a long time to fix the signal. Precisely, 57 days. Just as long as Terry shed, I guess. So how long am I gonna stay here? Don't worry, James. We'll get somebody else to take them. Fine, I guess. And Bear, don't worry. Just take the upper track. Maybe you'll get to the station on time that way. Okay! Thanks a lot for the accident, Terry. Sir Topham Hatt's not gonna like this. Oh, you bet he isn't.